I want to thank you on behalf of everyone who believes in our mission. We at Ride for Racial Justice are really blessed to be here. And we're all allies together in this fight against racism. What'd you say? Yes!
I want you to take a note of what we're made of, what our colors are, what our creeds are, what our religions are, what bikes we're riding, what we're wearing, the differences amongst all of us. Today, as a community, we're showing up because we're out there. And right now, the nation sees what Fort Collins, Colorado is up to.
Why don't we really start talking about what's going on? We should not be in fear of our lives. We should not have an issue with the color of each one's skin. We're here to ride a bicycle. Bicycle is freedom. Let's ask each other why we're here. Let's start these discussions now. Let's have these discussions while we're riding our bicycles. Let's have these discussions tomorrow. Go grab someone else and have another discussion. We need to talk about it because unless we're going to change, this is how we change right here. Who wants to change? I can't hear you. Who wants to change? All right, go. Let's talk to one another.